I'm Michelle Dove, and I've been with the Paul Mueller Company family for 30 years now. I am serving in a senior inside sales representative role. And I'm Richelle Graves. I've been here for 6 years. I also am a senior inside sales representative. So we work in a very fun role, don't we? Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's always a party. We get to communicate with our customers every day. Yes, via email or phone or whatever it is. Brings great fulfillment to me to know that we can play a part. Yes, and I love that it's different every day. It's inspiring, coming in as an admin assistant to now be a senior inside sales rep, knowing that I can continue to progress in a career at the Paul Mueller Company. That's what I like about our company, is that they give us a lot of opportunity. Yes. Another thing that I enjoy about being at Mueller are the people that we work with. 100%. I'm extremely comfortable asking anyone any questions that may arise. It is really a joy to work with the team that we have in food and beverage.